Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring safety and collecting tools. Do it now. Shut the amp down and discharge filter capacitors so you can touch the chassis without risk. Once done, remove the cover and perform a focused visual inspection. Look for bulging caps, burnt resistors, cold solder joints, or loose tube pins. Make sure you document component markings and take photos. Next, reconnect minimally. Signal source, dummy load or speaker, and meter. You will use these for stepwise diagnostics. You now trace and quantify the problem. This is where most fixes happen. Start at the input and follow the waveform into preamp and power stages, using an oscilloscope or audio tracer to find where distortion or dropout appears. Then measure DC rails and tube plate and cathode voltages. Note deviations from spec so you can pinpoint failed components. Replace electrolytic capacitors showing ESR or leakage, reflow suspect solder joints, and clean or replace noisy pots. You finish by reassembling the amp and running controlled tests. Start at low volume and gradually increase while watching for hum, clipping, or overheating. Make sure bias and idle currents are set correctly after any tube or component change. Adjust per schematic. If problems remain, swap tubes one at a time, then isolate preamp versus power amp by injecting signal at different stages. One key tip: if intermittent noise persists, wiggle leads and connectors while listening. Mechanical faults often mimic electrical failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.